To start Forex trading, the first thing you need is a reliable broker account. How do you open an account and how do you complete the verification process? In today's videos, we learn step by step the complete process of opening and verifying an Exness account. So let's get started. I am showing this on a computer, but the process is same on the mobile. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Exness is a popular international forex broker where you can trade USD, gold, crypto and many other instruments easily. Exness is regulated and trusted broker. Here you can start trading with just $10 and enjoy benefit like low spread, fast withdrawal and copy trading features. Now let's see how to open an Exness account. First, click on the link given in the video description. After clicking, you will land this page. The interface will look the same both desktop and mobile. Once account is verified, you can log in into the Exness trading app, Exness copy app using the same ID password. To create an account, first click the register button. Here, create an account will be selected. Choose your country. Enter your email address here. Make sure that email address hasn't been used before for Exness registration. Set a strong password. The password must meet the following requirement: between 8 to 15 characters, at least one uppercase, one lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one special character. Make sure the checkbox is ticked. Continue. This is an Exness web trading platform. Click on 9 dots here and click personal area. After that, you will come to the page from where you need to complete the verification. That's it, your personal area has been created. Before start trading, account verification is mandatory. Let's see how to do it. On the dashboard, click on complete profile. First, you need to verify your email address, then your phone number. Click here, get start now. A verification code has been sent to your email. Enter that code here. Once entered, your email will be automatically verified. Next, for phone verification, click confirm phone, enter your phone number and continue. You will receive a 6-digit code on your phone. Enter that code here. Both your email and phone number verification will be completed. Click complete now. Under add profile information, fill in all your details accurately. First name, last name, date of birth, country of birth, gender, your residential address. Fill everything correctly and click the continue button. Exness asks some survey questions here which are not mandatory, so answer them as you like and continue. Click verify identity. Here you need to verify your document. Then click upload document. Under data use agreement, tick the box and click submit document. Select your country, choose the document you want to verify with, upload your documents front and back page and click submit document. Your document will be under review. Usually verification is completed within 30 minutes, but in some case it may take up to 24 hours. You will receive an email. Your ID document has been uploaded successfully. Then click the corner, go to setting. Here you will see account status fully verified. Once verification is complete, you can invest using mobile banking, Visa, MasterCard, crypto. In my opinion, crypto is the best option for both deposit and withdrawals. Exness offer instant deposit and fast withdrawal facilities. Now we will see how to open trading account. From the dashboard, click on open account. Here there are several type of account. Select the one you want. I am showing this standard account. After select continue, then select demo or real, whichever you prefer. Choose your preferred currency. Nickname, you can enter any name you like. Select leverage, select platform, either MT4 or MT5. I am showing MT4. Trading password, enter a strong password which you will need to log in trading terminal. Create account. Here you will get your trading account details. This is your ID number and your server. Now log in into the trading platform and start a demo or live trading. Remember, practice is the real key to success in Forex. Some important tips: use a strong password, provide information accurately, do not trade large amount without verify your real account. Practice will before you start trading. So friends, that was today's tutorial, how to open and verify Exness account very easily. So friends, that was today's tutorial, how to open and verify Exness account in a very simple way. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to stay updated. If you want more video, copy trading, forex strategies and trading income, please comment below. Thank you all. See you in the next video.